Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to clean all cache and junk files from Windows 10. After cleaning all cache and junk files, your computer will be way better than earlier. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, go search bar and type run and open it. Then type prefetch. Once you type this, click OK, and it will ask for a permission. You just need to click continue. Then to select all of these files, press Ctrl A, and you just need to press Shift Delete key, and click on yes, and we will be able to delete all of this junk files. Once this is done, go to search bar and open run, and type temp. And we just need to click OK. So once again, select all files and press Shift Delete key to delete all of this junk files. And some of the files will not be deleted, but that is absolutely fine and you can skip. So once this is done, again open run. And type %temp%, then hit OK. So again, select all this file and delete them. And the last thing we will do is open run. And at this time type cleangr. And click OK. And then this will open up disk cleanup drive selection. So select on C drive and click OK. Then select all this check marks and then hit OK and click on delete. And now your computer will be more cleaner from junk files, and you will get better performance from your computer. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.